how to post in a forum. This is a forum. Click. Scroll down. Read the instructions. Keep scrolling down. Click Add a new discussion topic. Scroll down. This is the subject. Click here and type your subject. Scroll down. This is your message. Click here and type your message. When you are finished your message, scroll down and click Post to Forum. Scroll down. Your post was successfully added. Good. And if I scroll down some more and scroll down past the instructions and past this button, I can see, oh, there is my forum post by me. If I click on it and scroll down, I can read it right here. So that is how you post in a forum.